Hey everybody, thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to be using a product called Carbon Collective NUOVO. It's an interior detailer. I'm going to be using it on some door panels on this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. They haven't been cleaned, so I like to always start by using a dedicated cleaner and then following up with the NUOVO. You can use it as a standalone all-in-one, but I would say, for your first time, you want to use a dedicated cleaner. Before we get started, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment, ask questions, all that kind of thing. I'm going to also leave links to all the products in the description. So let's get started. First thing I like to do is take a brush. This is just a little Detail Factory brush. I like to take it and get in and remove any dirt, dust, and loose pollen or anything that happens to be on the door panel. And this door panel is not really dirty, so not really much to knock down here. Second step, I got a bigger Detail Factory brush. I like to use Koch Chemie Pol Star, diluted about 10 to 1. Spray it into the head of this Detail Factory brush and then start agitating the surface. And this is good on plastic and rubber and that type of thing, and leather as well. So. Damp towel, just a damp microfiber, and then go back through. Next, you want to take a dry microfiber towel and go back over it again. So now for the fun part, applying the NUOVO. I like to take another utility microfiber towel, shake up the NUOVO, give it a good shake, give it about 2 or 3 sprays into the microfiber. I don't like to spray directly onto the surface. I just like to have more control by using the microfiber. So do that, start to apply it. that's pretty much it. This thing is looking a lot nicer, and like I said, it'll stay protected for a while.